Alright, here's what we got. New build. 1992 Sentra SE-R. SR20DET swap. It's got a Stillen body kit. Questionable paint job. Needs a little bit of love. Got the door guard over there. Interesting steering wheel. 5-speed manual. Not sure what wheels these are. Take it off and find out eventually. But yeah, the problem is cylinder 3 has no compression. The seller claims that it just needs a piston ring, but you know, we'll pull it out and find out. Hopefully it is an easy fix, but we shall see. Probably got to get rid of this. First things first though, I'm probably gonna get into this interior and see what we got. So we got the driver's side door panel right here. What's this? Got a boost gauge, cool. What's back here? Ooh, taillights. Definitely need that. But yeah. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this thing, but it's pretty cool. It's here. Exists. Alright, so here's the next predicament. Pulling the trunk latch, I can hear it, I can see it doing something, but the trunk is stuck. So I'm gonna attempt to go through there and maybe flip that. I don't know, do something, see what happens. So put the camera outside. If all goes well, you'll see me there. Alright, just completed the first wash. Give you a little walk around. If anyone knows what wheels these are, please let me know. They're not actual 3-piece. They got fake hardware. Alright, car's jacked up in the air. I take the wheels off and get this engine ready to come out the bottom. Don't have a hoist, so get it at the bottom. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this one too. Cylinder 3 has no compression, 0. Supposedly it's just a failed piston ring, but alright, so I got the wheels off, and goddamn holy grease. I don't know if you can tell, but everything is absolutely caked in oil. Holy shit. God damn, even the inside of this wheel. Let's check this out real quick. That's just straight oil. Damn, this not looking so good. These brakes look pretty cool though. Some Willwoods. I don't know shit about them, but we're gonna find out. Get some upgraded lines, teen coilovers, teen, whatever. That's not looking too good. That's looking good. This looks like a upgraded bushing. Might clean this first a little bit, then start tacking it. This side's definitely cleaner. But yeah. Let's get it. Alright, so first things first. Drain the radiator. I'm not sure if I need to drain the oil. Probably leave that for now. So drain the radiator. Remove the turbo manifold, the turbo, disconnect the lines, charge pipes, remove intake. Probably could leave the strut bar. Disconnect the fuel line. What else? I don't know. Just disconnect things as we go. Probably the shifter stuff. I don't even know where it is, to be honest with you. This is my first time pulling an engine, let alone pulling a Sentra engine. Alright. So let's see how this goes. This engine bay is definitely gonna need a respray. Definitely pressure wash. Sticker delete. Probably make some better brackets to hold this and rewire some things, because this is not ideal. Self-tapper's gotta go. And maybe delete some of the random holes and do like a shaved bay. Those were air quotes, but look kind of stupid. Got rid of the oily insulation mat or whatever. That was just like waiting for, that was just a fire hazard. But yeah, this is gonna come off and this is gonna come off, and let's get to it. Alright, coolant's coming out into the bucket. Let's get that off. Oh, now it's back in the bucket. Okay, back in the bucket. Uh-oh, nobody saw that. Cool. Alright, that's taken care of. And then another zip tie up top. Some more zip ties down here. Snip. Alright, radiator's ready to get. Oh, you see? What is this? A Mishimoto. Nice. A little crusty. We'll see if we can clean that up and make it look better. Call this the before shot. Ooh, that doesn't look very nice. Not good. Alright, next up, let's get this fan out of here. Alright, where's it wired in to? How are you connected, fan? Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down. Alright, right here and everything is out. I'm starting to disconnect the turbo stuff, so coolant feed or drain or whatever. One of the coolant lines is disconnected. This looks like the oil. No, it's not the oil. The oil line goes somewhere. Alright, let's see. There's the drain. Alright, let's start it. Just real quick, want to get a video of what we're working with under here. So, I don't know if you can see this, but that's the drain line for the oil. It's wrapped in some foil and some, I wonder if that's for heat protection. Who knows? Interesting exhaust, nice dent. But yeah, oh shit, yeah, we gotta unbolt that. Bolt this downpipe. Probably remove this. Does this even come off? What the fuck is that? That's not looking too good. That's okay. Yeah, probably leave the intercooler in place. Alright. Alright, here's where I'm at. Got the brake caliper removed and hanging here. I'm gonna remove the axle, disconnect the coilover, and then we can start dropping the engine. Alright, so here's where we're at. It's 11:07. Let's see, what are we looking at temperature? 27 degrees outside. Got an absolute mess, but got all the car here, got the axles out, radiator, turbo, tiny little, really tiny turbo actually. I don't know what it is, but turbo, brake rotor. I had to cut up the exhaust a little bit to get it out. We'll talk about that another time. Slow bar. Yeah, so everything is disconnected, I think. That needs to be disconnected. Under here, I mean, the engine is literally held up by that jack. And, this mount right here. And this trans mount, I believe that is. So, I'm assuming once I take those two off, it should come out. But I'm going to lower it with the jack slowly onto that. Hopefully having the clearance to roll it out. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so here's where I'm at. The engine is disconnected. Harness is chilling over here. I'm pretty sure everything's disconnected. Except for like maybe a power steering hose line. But now I just need to somehow get the car higher. And slide this out. I don't think it's possible. We'll try. Alright, day 2 of this project, and here's where I'm at. Doing some sketchy shit with some steel, this jack, but it's the only way I can get the car high enough to roll it out with this dolly I have. The dolly is definitely way too tall, but it's just about to clear. I might have to stack some more wood here to get this side high enough, but the car is relatively level. The jack stands are jack standing. Yeah, here's where we're at. Gotta pull the engine the bottom way, or I don't know, we're doing some fuckery, but yeah, there it is. It's almost out.
Yeah.
Alright, leave this here. I'm gonna take that intercooler off then. Alright, you come straight in.
That thing is. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Careful. Take off your hands in there.
crack in
Mura
the
so
concrete.
funny. Huh?
It's the concrete. It's in the groove.
Mura so funny.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna come to
Yeah,
me.
Mura so funny. Okay, I'm going to do the jack start. Oh my God.
Good. Right there.
Jag get lift for you put dog.
Yeah, no,
this
definitely.
thing is slippery killer water
I
now.
know. Alright, so boom, engine is out. Shout out to my old man for lending a helping hand slash criticizing on my sketchiness, but here's what we got. There's so much oil everywhere in this engine bay. I don't know if you could tell, but this thing is filthy. Like, it's caked on. Holy shit. So I think I want to degrease and pressure wash this bay. Probably gonna pressure wash the engine first, and then we'll dig into it. Since it's got to come all the way apart, might as well clean it. But yeah, you get like a little before shot. Trans. Pretty sure all this oil is from it running with the valve cover off. You never know. We'll see when we dig into it.